Expansive glass panels immediately draw attention to the interior of this house, while simultaneously framing the mountainous horizon beyond. Situated among the rolling hills of predominantly rural farmland, access wins its way up a hillside to a front entry courtyard on top of a ridge. On the other side of the entry, we find the open-plan living and dining area, which connects to a primary bedroom and bathroom. Weaving through the central living spaces, select works of art from the client's private collection are strategically positioned. The intimacy of the spaces defies the traditional expectations of an open plan, with 11.5-foot ceilings throughout the house. Separations are defined by sunlight during the day and artificial light at night. Privacy is created by distance, and every step of that distance presents a unique moment, whether it be a view, a piece of art, or a ray of light projecting onto a wall. Through its floor-to-ceiling windows and an elongated skylight, the house is designed to capture the morning sunlight from the east and the setting sun to the west, helping define distinct spaces within a wide-open floor plan. With a master suite at one end of the house and a series of 3 guest accommodations at the other, the house also features a basement with a gym and media room and a garage. The house's interior palette consists of neutral tones, with walnut flooring running throughout and dark wood paneling and gray tile used in the bathrooms. The house's elongated footprint is reminiscent of the long, low-lying characteristics of agricultural buildings that dot the surrounding regional landscape. In the evening, the house's external facade blends into its surrounding environment, while the interior comes to life like a carefully curated gallery. Artificial lighting is kept to a minimum, with recessed lighting focusing on the art, walls, and centers of activity within the house. Between the living spaces, lighting levels drop off, further contributing to perceptions of separation between a series of intimately lit spaces. The custom-stained vertical cedar siding, a classic and durable material, provides an inspirational nod to the character of the house's agricultural neighbors. The siding harmonizes with the 13-foot glass panels that provide the house with an impressive transparency. The house meets the sky in a very minimal way, while remaining lightly seated on the ground. It's a system that flows like a piece of music, with subtle tone-on-tone interactions with the elements that bring the colors and material palette to life throughout the day.